Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the full beams, remove the closing cap on the grille side. To replace the light bulbs for the side light, take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To replace the bulb on the full beam, stay in the same compartment. Take the black power terminal and pull on it to disconnect it. Then undo the bulb. You must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then push the metal clips back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the bulbs on the dipped beams, remove the closing cap. Shift and lift the holding clip on the bulb and remove the bulb. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.